Hello viewer, it's a shape here. We have find and then for more we will use the pattern here. Let's explore the further one. We have other one is there. Keep on generating designs as well. Let's create a further one. Then have some designs. Keep on editing.